Hi there. Today we're going to be putting factory Cobra decals on a 70 Torino Cobra fenders. These decals here. So these decals come in a square, and I have already trimmed them to kind of show you the pattern that we're going to put them on the fender. The location, and I've seen these decals installed on many cars that are always in the wrong spot. I got these measurements right from Ford from back in the day. So it's 3 inches up from this body line. That goes underneath the lettering. 1.75 inches from this line here. That will be right in front of the snake. So as it goes on, it'll be about like that. As far as things you're going to need, rapid tack application fluid for decals, grease pencil, and a squeegee. I use one with a suede edge, but you can use the standard one for decals like this. They're pretty sturdy. This just gives you a little more, they're a little more delicate, I guess. So when you put these things on, get your fluid sprayed all over just like that. We're going to take the decal here and peel this off carefully. Should separate just like this. And we are doing the passenger side fender, so you always make sure that the snake is facing forward. That's how it's supposed to be. So I sprayed a little bit of this on here. I sprayed a little bit on the fender. And we can get kind of a loose fitment right now. My grease pencil lines are underneath the lettering. I'm a little far forward with the snake. So let's bring it back just a bit. Let's see how that is. That's pretty good. Now sometimes it's good to step back a bit and check your work, because when you're right up close to stuff, sometimes it's not so easy to see if it's level or how it looks. I think we're doing pretty good on this. I think it might actually be able to go up a little bit in the back. So we're just going to hold one corner and pivot it just a little bit. Now I can see a little bit more of my grease pencil mark in the back there. I'm taking my finger and just getting out most of the water. Then I can start working it with the squeegee a little bit more. The suede edge is good if you have a large decal, like a laser stripe. I've done those before on Torinos, where you got to work a lot of area pretty quick. So if you're really winging your squeegee around, the suede edge helps, but it's not necessary for these little ones. I took an NOS set off of this car. You know, part number starts with DOOZ, like any good 70 Torino part should. These are reproduction decals, and they are virtually identical. I cannot see enough of a difference or any difference really, to warrant trying to find an NOS set that may or may not still stick. These work pretty well. So I've got it squeegeed out. We're going to peel this back now. Make sure when you peel these back, you keep this release paper right tight to the face. That way the letters don't peel off. Careful about the flame tips. Okay, so you can see my pencil, my grease pencil mark right at the nose, just underneath the letters. And that'll wipe right off. That's the beauty of the grease pencil. I'm not going to get too aggressive about getting it off right now because I don't want to disturb the lettering of the decals. But you can see it comes right off. So just blot it out. Get the rest of the water off of this area. And that is it. Do it right. Don't be like one of them used car lots that just wing it on. Thanks for watching.